Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey with Vijay Kumar Srivastav. Today we are going to study the topic botanical names and family of field crops. Under this chapter we will cover cereal crops, millet crops, pulse crops, oilseed crops, fiber crops, sugar and starch crops, forage and grasses, narcotic crops and beverages crops. First we will go through cereal crops, which is covering the crops rice, wheat, maize, sorghum, barley, oat, triticale, rye, which are coming under family Poaceae, which is also known as Gramineae family. Under rice, there is two types of rice which are cultivated, like in Asia, America, and Europe, which is rice Oryza sativa, and second in West Africa, which is Oryza glabrima. Under wheat, it is also categorized in different types like common bread wheat, Mexican dwarf wheat, Marconi or durum wheat, Indian dwarf wheat, emmer wheat, and incorn wheat, which are also coming under same Poaceae family. And this maize, G maize, sorghum, sorghum bicolor, barley, Hordeum vulgare, oat, Avena sativa, triticale, triticosicle, rye, sickle cereal, which are all the members of Poaceae Gramineae family. Second category is millet crops, which is covering the crops pearl millet, which is also known as bajra, finger millet, commonly known as ragi, foxtail millet, Italian millet, kodo millet, little millet or kutki, proso millet, which is also commonly called china, then barnyard millet, which is locally called as sama. So these all millet crops are coming under Poaceae family or Gramineae family. Now we will go through botanical names and family of pulse crops like chickpea, pigeon pea, which is also known as red gram, lentil, green gram or moong, black gram urd, cowpea, field pea, garden pea, cluster bean, which is also known as guar, kidney bean or French bean, then lethyrus, moth bean, rice bean, horse gram and love bean. All these crops are coming under family Fabaceae or Leguminosae. Now here oilseed crops. The major group is rapeseed and mustard, having botanical name Brassica species, which comes under Brassicaceae or Cruciferae family. This group, rapeseed and mustard, is divided in two types. First one is mustard category, having Indian mustard or leaf mustard or brown mustard with botanical name Brassica juncea. Next is black mustard or true mustard or Banarsi rice, having botanical name Brassica nigra. And third is Ethiopian mustard or African mustard with botanical name Brassica carinata. All are coming under Brassicaceae or Cruciferae family. Next is rapeseed, which consists of yellow sarso, having botanical name Brassica arepa, species oleifera, variety yellow sarso. Then brown sarso, Brassica arepa, species oleifera, variety brown sarso. Next is Indian rape or thoria or summer rape, having name Brassica arepa, species oleifera, variety thoria. And next is gobi sarso, which is Brassica nepus, species oleifera. Then next is rocket salad or taramira, having botanical name Iruca sativa and family Brassicaceae. Next oilseed crop is sesame, which is under Pedaliaceae family, sunflower under Asteraceae family, groundnut under Fabaceae, which is also called Leguminosae family, then linseed under Linaceae family, and safflower and Niger, which are coming under Asteraceae family, also known as Compositae. Then soybean, Glycine max under Fabaceae family, which is also known as Leguminosae family, and then castor, which is under Euphorbiaceae family. So these are the crops under oilseeds. Now fiber crops. Under fiber crops, first jute crop, under which there is white jute, Tosa jute or Urena, also known as Congo jute, which are coming under family Tiliaceae. Then cotton. Under cotton there are also four categories. First one is upland or American cotton, which is cultivated on larger scale, having botanical name Gossypium hirsutum, which are coming under Malvaceae family. Then desi cotton, which is known as Gossypium arboreum. Then Asiatic cotton, Gossypium herbaceum. And next is sea land or Egyptian cotton, which is called wild cotton. that is Epium barbadans. So all cotton is crop is coming under family Malvaceae. Next fiber crop is Mesta and Kenaf, which is also coming under Malvaceae. Then sun hemp, which comes under Fabaceae or Leguminosae family. Then white rami and green rami, which falls under Atricaceae family. Then sisal under Agabaceae family. So these are the fiber crops. Here sugar and starch crops having botanical names and their family. Under sugarcane, it is of 4 types sugarcane. Like first one sugarcane known as noble cane. Second is sugarcane North Indian cane. Then Chinese cane and edible cane. These are sugarcane families are coming under Poaceae or Gramineae. Then next crop is sugar beet, Vita vulgaris, which falls under Chenopodiaceae family. Then potato, which is also used for starch production, Solanum tuberosum, which comes under Solanaceae family. Then buckwheat, which comes under Polygonaceae family. And then tapioca, cassava, under Euphorbiaceae family. Now here to study forage and grasses, for which we have given here botanical names and families. The crops falling under forage and grasses are like Egyptian clover, which is also known as Verseem, alfalfa or lucerne, cowpea lobia, cluster bean or guar, sweet clover or senji, red clover, cercia, velvet bean, common vetch, kudzu or indigo. These all crops are coming under family Fabaceae or Leguminosae. Next grass is paragrass or buffalo grass. Then Napier grass and oats, which are coming under Poaceae or Gramineae family. Next forage and grasses category under Rhodes grass, rye, Italian rye grass, Sudan grass or Sorghum Sudan grass, torpedo grass, triticale, love grass or weeping grass, Johnson grass, Guinea grass, Bermuda grass, Vehia grass, lemon grass, asparagus, marble grass, teosinte or waffle grass or anjan grass. All these are coming under family Poaceae or Gramineae. Now narcotic crops under which tobacco and cannabis crops are coming. Tobacco Nicotiana tabacum or Nicotiana rustica are coming under family Solanaceae, and cannabis having botanical name Cannabis sativa under Cannabiaceae family. Next is beverage crops under which there is tea, coffee, cocoa or chicory. Tea comes under Theaceae family, coffee under Rubiaceae family, cocoa under Asterculiaceae family, and chicory under Asteraceae or Compositae family. So this presentation was all about botanical names and family of field crops. Hope this will be useful to all of you. Thank you very much and welcome again. I have given here my YouTube channel details, Journey with Vijay Kumar Srivastava. Having request, please visit the channel, subscribe it and provide your kind and valuable feedback. Thank you.